Hello, I'm Newty. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to move faster at turning middle. For example, you should move middle in this algorithm and in this algorithm. And many people turn middle like this or like this. And that's okay, but it's not fast enough. I'll solve the algorithms by turning like this. It's over 2 seconds. So now, I will show you how to turn it more faster. To move faster, you should turn fourth finger and then middle finger. Like this. And you need to do that many times to get used to it. Try to get more faster, like this. So now, I will do the algorithm that I did before. It's much less than 2 seconds. You should practice many times to get more faster. So, start timing yourself for fun. Bye! See you soon! I hope you enjoyed my video.